everybody, it's Jeff and Nikki from Nightshade Nook Decor. So we are putting the flood coat on the Philadelphia Eagles and Pittsburgh Steelers coasters today. So I am excited at how these turned out. We didn't do the seal coat on them because we figured, how many coaster pours can you guys watch? Let's wait until we do the flood coat so you can see it once the emblems are on the coasters and, you know, pretty much finished. So I don't know. I'm happy with how they turned out. I'm liking that we got the Steelers and the Eagles on the same table. One of my favorite teams. I'm sorry, I had my finger over the part of the lens there. I don't know. What do you think? You like the way they came out? I mean, the Eagles, obviously, I feel like we've done so many Eagles coasters.
Right, we've got the Eagles down to a science, but this was the first time well, it's actually our second attempt at Steelers coasters, and yes, I'm much happier with the way these came out.
Yeah.
Because our first attempt, we just decided to make black coasters out of them because we weren't content.
It was a good thought process.
No,
it just wasn't good on execution.
Yeah, the idea was good. It just didn't work out like we planned. So we changed our process, and I think we're much happier with the new process. So
yeah, absolutely.
Going forward, we will do them more like this.
And I'm sorry we are just coaster bombarding you, but literally we have neither
of us can talk today.
We have just been, I know, right? We have just been bombarded with coaster orders. So that's why we're doing all the coasters. We generally do a lot more of the cutting boards and cheese boards or charcuterie boards, but coaster orders have been coming in, and you know, it is what it is. So the next one, though, I think, are you starting the table this week? We were going to start it this weekend, but this weekend we got carried away with a rock.
Well, I really have to pick up the joiner before I can start the table.
Okay.
I can probably I can start milling
I think we should do a cutting board.
I can start milling the lumber on the planer, but I really need to get the joiner so I can do a nice job on that table.
I think we should do some more beach wave coasters since we are sold out of beach wave coasters. And I think you should consider a beach wave cutting board or cheese board.
Oh, yeah, we should.
Because I like that. I think it's a big... Well, I'm not the only one. That's why we're sold out of them.
I know. You and everybody else.
I think that...
It is summertime. It's beach time.
Yeah. Who doesn't want to be bringing out a cheese tray on a beach wave cutting board or serving board?
Right.
I know I do. And I get nothing out of this. I get videos. You guys should all know that he has not made me one thing.
Wow.
Nothing.
That's not a good way to go about getting something.
Obviously. Well, I tried the subtle hint thing. That doesn't work either. Demanding doesn't work. I think I got to buy something. I think I just need to say we have an order for this and tell them the payment has been received on the website.
Wow. Or you could just say, honey, I would really like this. Could you make this for me? And then I will do it. Because that's the kind of guy I am.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
There's nothing I want. I'm just giving you a hard time.
Yeah, I just like to bust my balls.
You know there's nothing I want. I don't want coasters or cutting boards. We're good. I do, however, want you to make that wine thingamabobber.
Oh, yes. We will do that. We have some decent wood to do that, you know. Before we didn't quite have the right materials, but now I think we have some nice black walnut that would work well with that. So.
And I have no better name for that, guys, than wine thingamabobber. What it is it's a epoxy resin and wood piece that slides over the top of a wine bottle and actually holds wine glasses. So you can fit like 4 wine glasses on this thing. And really all you got to do is carry the bottle and you've got, you know, a little party in your hands.
Party in your hands.
Make it up as I go along. I think that'll be a neat thing. I don't expect you to try to do beach wavy things on that yet.
No, but it probably wouldn't be too difficult to do it.
I guess we'll have to see how the first one goes.
Yeah.
But I think that would be an awesome project. That would also be a really good summer project.
Yeah, we should make a test one out of plywood, and then we could use that test one that we cut out of plywood as our pattern.
Okay. All right. I see you. It's not a bad plan.
Yeah, and then we would just trace it on our board and then cut it out.
I know we've been bombarding you guys with a lot of short videos too. So we're on TikTok now, as well as YouTube, Tumblr, Instagram, Facebook. I feel like there's somebody else. Pinterest. So a lot of the shorts are coming off of TikTok because I like their video editing tool. And I like that we can add music to it and Facebook will accept it. Whereas if we did our live videos with music on it, Facebook would be shutting that off. I don't know why they accept TikTok music, but not music that we have going. I think it's because when you make the videos on TikTok, you have to sign an agreement that you accept whatever terms for the music. I don't know. But I like the little shorts that we've been doing. Plus, it gives you, a nice little sneak peek of like the process and the finished product.
Yeah, and people might not want to sit here and watch 15 minutes of us babbling too,
Right. This is very true.
I don't blame them for that.
I don't blame them either. So I'll probably add part of this video onto the end of our creation, like your pour.
Mm-hmm.
And then make a little short out of that too. That and our shorts have been doing really well on YouTube. Because YouTube started doing shorts.
Yeah, I think really people just don't have 20 minutes to invest in watching a video.
I get that.
We're all busy. I get it.
So speaking of YouTube, don't forget to check out our YouTube channel because a lot of our videos, our lives and stuff that we do on Facebook, they only stay on Facebook for a short amount of time. Some are 30 days, some are 60 days, but then we put them all up on our YouTube channel so you guys can watch them there.
Yeah, so any video that we've ever made is available on YouTube, so please go and subscribe. Even if you don't watch videos, please subscribe.
He's not proud or ashamed. You need a certain amount of subscribers just to get, like, your URL. Our URL is like a mixture of random letters and numbers at this point. Right. But if we get, like, I think it's something small. It's like 100 YouTube subscribers. Then we can have our URL be YouTube/Nightshade Nook Decor. And we have a very, very low amount of subscribers. We have a lot of Facebook followers, Instagram followers. TikTok's been growing good. Tumblr, I don't really understand what's going on with Tumblr. But we have followers there.
Yeah. We're weak on the
YouTube.
Weak on the YouTube. So come on there, YouTubers. If you like what we're doing and you like watching our videos, hit the subscribe button.
I like these. So now he's gone over them with the torch. He's actually just removing all of the air bubbles that were in the epoxy. I like the way these look.
Yeah, they came out pretty.
They came out really nice. So that is it, guys. So from here, he's going to possibly do another flood coat. We'll see. He'll sand off the bottoms. He'll seal the bottoms of them, put some cork on them. Well, I already said sand. Yeah. Put some cork on them after he seals them, buff them up, and they are done. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comment section. We always respond to all of our followers. And you guys have a great night. We'll talk to you later.